Hello everyone, I'm excited to welcome you today on a fascinating journey through two remarkable artistic and cultural periods, the Renaissance and the Baroque. We will explore how the passionate rediscovery of antiquity during these times transformed art and expression, blending innovation, faith, and power in stunning way. Get ready to dive into a world full of discovery and inspiration. The Renaissance and the Baroque are two key artistic and cultural periods that shaped European history in profound way. This transition marks a critical moment, signaling the shift from the medieval world into the modern age. During the Renaissance, there was a powerful revival in art and science, inspired by a renewed interest in classical antiquity. In contrast, the Baroque period is known for its dramatic emotional intensity and grand, elaborate style, often used to convey the influence of religion and political power. Essentially, art during this time became a powerful tool to captivate and move its audience deeply. The Renaissance is defined by a renewed interest in ancient Greek and Roman value, especially humanism, the idea that human beings hold a central role in knowledge and understanding the world around them. During this time, there was a strong passion for studying classical texts, which had often been overlooked during the Middle Ages. This focus led to major advancements across many areas, including science, art, and philosophy. Moreover, this revival inspired a more rational and individualistic approach to life, where critical thinking and self-expression became increasingly important. In this way, the Renaissance marked the beginning of a profound cultural renewal. Let's talk about some of the key figures of the Renaissance, true genius who shaped both art and science. First, Leonardo da Vinci, the ultimate Renaissance man. He wasn't just a painter, he was also an inventor and a scientist, embodying the era's spirit of curiosity and creativity. Then there's Michelangelo, renowned for his powerful sculpture and expressive painting that convey deep emotion and strength. Next, Raphael, famous for his beautifully balanced composition and expert use of perspective, which give his work a unique sense of harmony. Finally, Galileo Galilei, a groundbreaking astronomer and physicist whose discovery transformed how we understand the universe. These individuals perfectly showcase the incredible range of talent and innovation that defined the Renaissance. Renaissance art stand out because of the systematic use of linear perspective, which create a much more realistic and three-dimensional sense of space. This technique completely changed how scenes were depicted. At the same time, artists paid close attention to accurately representing the human form. By studying anatomy carefully, they made their figure more expressive and lifelike, bringing a new emotional intensity to their work. Additionally, technical innovation like oil painting added incredible depth and richness to the color, enhancing the overall impact of the artworks. Together, these advances didn't just change artistic technique, they revolutionized how image and beauty were understood, paving the way for a new artistic vision. The Renaissance took root in the Italian city-states, especially in Florence, Venice, and Rome, which created a perfect environment for it to thrive. These cities were more than just economic centers, they were powerful cultural and political hubs. Much of this energy came from influential families like the Medici, who acted as patron by funding artists and thinkers. At the same time, humanism, a philosophy that emphasizes human dignity and the value of individual, changed not only the art but also reshaped institutions and social relationships, paving the way for a new way of thinking and organizing society. Baroque art emerged during the Catholic Counter-Reformation, a time when the Church aimed to reaffirm its authority and power, especially in response to the Protestant Reformation. This period saw art transformed into a dramatic and spectacular tool meant to impress and persuade viewers. Visually, Baroque art is characterized by dynamic movement and intense emotion. Unlike the more restrained style that came before, it emphasizes rich, elaborate composition with strong contrast of light and shadow, along with abundant details designed to fully engage the viewer. But Baroque art goes beyond decoration, it serves a crucial role in religious and political expression. It embodies grandeur and deep emotional appeal, aiming to provoke a strong, almost visceral reaction in those who experience it. The main artistic goal of Baroque is to harness the power of emotion and splendor to inspire faith. It's an art form created to captivate, move, and ultimately convince its audience. Let's begin with Caravaggio, who was a true master of light and shadow. His work is known for its realism and dramatic scene, where the intense contrast between light and dark create a powerful emotional depth. Then we have Bernini, an exceptional sculptor who brings incredible movement and emotion to his statue, making them feel almost alive. Rembrandt's use of light is equally profound, and employs it subtly yet powerfully to uncover the complex emotion and inner lives of his subject. Finally, Bach stands out as a Baroque composer. His music is renowned for its rich complexity, creating a sound world that has deeply influenced countless composers. Together, these artists and musicians embody the very spirit of Baroque art. Baroque architecture is instantly recognizable by its elegant curved shape, twisted columns, and highly detailed, abundant decoration. This style doesn't aim for simplicity, instead, it embraces theatricality and grandeur. The way space used is designed to create a breathtaking, dramatic effect that captures attention and stirs emotion. You'll often see Baroque architecture in religious buildings like churches, as well as important civic structures. Beyond its visual appeal, Baroque architecture carries powerful symbolism, representing the authority, wealth, and energy of its time. It's an architectural language that perfectly combines beauty with deep meaning. During the Baroque period, absolute monarchy played a crucial role in promoting the art. Take Louis XIV, for example, he actively used Baroque art to strengthen his power and legitimize his rule, making it a powerful political tool. At the same time, the Catholic Church was a key player, especially during the Counter-Reformation. The Church used Baroque art to move the emotion of the faithful and persuade them, creating works that inspired deep spiritual devotion. Finally, Baroque church and palace were more than just impressive buildings, they served as visible, powerful symbol of both religious faith and political authority, standing as striking monument to these two major forces. The Renaissance and Baroque period had a profound and lasting impact on European art, culture, and society. They marked a major turning point in how we understand artistic expression, science, and human thought. These eras laid the foundation for a new worldview and introduced innovative way of creating and interpreting articles. What is truly remarkable is that their influence hasn't faded with time, it's still present in contemporary creativity, inspiring our collective imagination and shaping cultural production today. In many ways, the legacy of the Renaissance and Baroque continue to live on in how we create and think.